the safety valve in handling complaints. Principle 6, let the other person do a great deal of the talking. Allow individuals to express themselves and discuss their businesses and difficulties. Ask questions and listen with an open mind. Do not interrupt, even if you disagree with them. Most people won't pay attention to your ideas, because they have their own to offer. We must listen carefully and with an open mind, and we must be genuine in pushing them to completely share their opinions. Learn to be comfortable with short periods of silence in conversation to fight the impulse to talk about oneself. When the other person stops talking, we are frequently tempted to speak up, but if we remain silent and wait for them to continue, chances are they may have more to say. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 3, How to Win People to Your Way of Thinking. Subscribe, like, follow for more.